Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. So glad you're here. This is Zena, I'm Laura. Wyatt is the white puppy dog, which I'm sure you will see at some point during this video, but he is busy on bug patrol right now. Here he comes. For today, who is ready for fall? It is coming, and I have the Decocrated fall box for you. Full spoilers today. I am so excited. I love Decocrated. They have the most amazing, cohesive, from season to season, home decor delivered right to your door every single season that I cannot wait to dig into this box and share with you their newest collection. So, loving the color theme here, and reminds me of pumpkins, right? Zena's excited, aren't you? Aren't you, baby girl? All right, let's talk about this box. If you've not seen any of my previous boxes, which I'm telling you, the summer box was fabulous, so I'll link it up above. And I had 2 giveaways for that box, so congratulations to the winners of those boxes. Loving that. I still have all that decor up. I have Decocrated decor all through my house. I keep it up usually season over season because, as I said, it is very cohesive and much of it does carry over and you can leave it out. Some of it is seasonal specific, but much of it you can keep out. $79.99 for a quarterly subscription. You can choose to pay for the entire year at a time, which does give you a bit of a discount. That brings it down to $299.99. And of course, I do have a discount code for you. If you use my code, which is going to be LBOH for Little Box of Happy 15, you will get $15 off either of the subscriptions with whichever you choose. All right, I'm going to get into the box. So right inside it says, welcome to fall. This season we're celebrating the start of fall with warm tones and a dash of spooky vibes. Simple botanicals and harvest moons invite you to take in the beauty of autumn and celebrate Halloween. Decocrated team. They do have an add-on box for Halloween that is additional. I am going to be sharing that box with you as well, and let you know whenever you can pre-order, but that should be coming up very soon. Typically they have 4 add-on boxes every year: Halloween, Easter, Christmas, and then a patriotic box. They're $39.99 when you pre-order, and you get 4 items in those boxes. All right, right off the bat, look what I see here. These look like they're tea towels. Tea towels. All right, let's do it. Let's do this. I want to dig into them right away. We're going to look at these, and they do give you an envelope that has details about all the items inside the box. But I want to see how pretty these are. Look how cute. Little fall leaves on there. Those are adorable. And then they talked about spooky vibes as well, so they have a Halloween towel in here also with the spider webs. These are 17 by 26, and they're 100% cotton. Adorable. What do you think, Z? She says there's no busy bones, so I'm really not all that interested. We're going to get inside the envelope. There's always featured art. Got a little sticker. Decocrated home decor right to your door. Fall breeze, autumn leaves. So this is the artist of the season. So it's spooky or fall. Let's see what it says about it. The double-sided 4" by 6" art print features a fall-centric quote, fall breeze and autumn leaves, and an illustration of the moon. Pair a postcard throughout the year with our spring 2021 clip frame or one of your very own. And here they show it in the clip frame from spring. Okay. I think their art prints are really pretty, and you can swap them up inside that frame quite nicely. Okay, let's dig in. Pulling all kinds of stuff out, ZZ. ZZ's ready to make a run for it. I'm making way too much noise for her. see what this is. Oh, look how pretty this is. I have it upside down. So here's the base. I can see the felt. This is the candle holder. This is the top. How cute is that? And I think there's two of them because I'm seeing a picture here. Let me see if I can get the second one and share it with you. I like the colors of that, the wood grain. Hopefully I'm opening the right thing. Yep. Okay, here's the second one. How cute are those? Beautiful. Great for on a mantle or on a table or even on your island. I think you could even put these in a bathroom, bedroom. Very, very pretty. I really like those. Let me put them right here so you can still see them, hopefully. And let's see what they say about them. It says that they make a statement in your home with our, you can make a statement in your home with our set of candle holders with a dark natural wood finish and gold metal accent. You'll bring your home to life. And here's some examples of how they have them decorated with some of the previous items in boxes. I like that in the kitchen. Very pretty. All right, we're gonna keep going. Oh, how adorable is this? Pumpkin. Who doesn't need another pumpkin? And this one is adorable with it being all open. It has a little bit, it looks to me like a gray-green coating to it. That is adorable. Love that. And it says, this season, you know, we had to give you a healthy dose of pumpkins. This box features our metal and wood pumpkin that can really go into any room in your home. I love it. It's like the perfect size because it would fit anywhere. Adorable. All right, there's still more. Beads. I love when they send the beads. Check these out. And this color is fabulous. These items all together would be gorgeous. I love this color together. All of these items with the wood. So, so pretty. I love that. I think the beads just make such a nice addition when you're trying to decorate. And it says, the wood beads, from season to season, we curate items that pair well with all of our boxes, and our beads do just that. Add them to your favorite vase or toss them on a cabinet handle. Either way, you can't go wrong. Here's some ways they show them. Love the beads. Love. So many. Oh, it just keeps getting better. Look at this. Is that not adorable? Wooden ladder. You can hang the beads off of this, right? I love this. This is so cute. There's so much you could do here. I think this is so pretty. Oh, I love this collection. It definitely gives some fall vibes, but depending on how you decorate with these pieces, you could definitely carry these season over season, except for maybe the pumpkin, right? That is definitely season specific, and these do feel, the beads feel fallish, but they sent another pair of beads, I think in a different box that you could switch out. Oh, here's a cute look of how they decorated with those tea towels. I love this look. So they have the tea towels on the ladder in this picture. I love this. I didn't read about the tea towels, which I will. Look how cute that looks. Why? You didn't see that bug? Is that not adorable? Look. It says, we're switching things up this season, and you know what that means. Tea towels. In this season's box, you'll find 2 tea towels, one towel featuring a seasonal leaf print, and the other a Halloween-inspired spider web. toss one in your kitchen and the other in your bathroom, and you're good to go. So that's a great idea. Here's other ways they used them and got super fancy. I love the creativity. Once you're a member, you can get onto their Decocrators, I believe, Facebook page and see all kinds of fun ideas on how they decorate, how people decorate. Like, you can share and swap ideas of how you use the pieces and decorate. People get super fancy, amazing, wonderful ideas of how to use these pieces. But I love it. All right, I want to see the ladder. That's where I was going with this. Here it is. It says, have fun decorating your home with this season's mini wood ladder, handcrafted with our dark natural wood finish. It is perfect for our set of fall tea towels or as a kitchen accessory. And here's, they show it two different ways. These are from, I think it was last fall's box. Love. And I think we have one last item. What is this? I think it's the heaviest of everything. Oh, it's a mirror. Oh, it's like a moon mirror. Check this out. Again, I think this is the perfect size to go just about anywhere. Love this. That is so pretty. All right, so this is, called the moon mirror. And it says, this season we're adding in a fun element to your home with our small moon mirror. Hang it on your wall for a pop of color or place it on top of your bedroom drawer for a touch of celestial magic. Here's how they show decorated two ways. I love this just leaning on top of a chest. And here it is on a wall. These are all items from previous boxes. What do you think? I am in love. I think these pieces are absolutely gorgeous, all of them. They did I love their collections, I really do. So cohesive, really just give you that little bit of a light refresh for each season, and I love it. All right, so that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me see if there's any other fun pictures I can share with you in this book. I love that they send this book. Here's some more, to give you additional ideas of how to decorate, because every home is different and where you place them is going to just be your own. You're going to make it your own way, right? But the ideas just help. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I will put all the information for Decocrated down below in case you want to give this subscription a try. Please do check out their Facebook page. The bugs are coming out today. For Decocrators, if you're already a member, so you can get all kinds of fun ideas. I am actually on my way out for a few days off of work, which also means my YouTube. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get pictures yet for this video of how I decorated with these items, because I do like to spend a little bit of time thinking about it. But I will be posting on Instagram whenever I get back and showing you how I decorated. So please stay tuned. And again, hit that like if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more. Would love to hang out for the long haul, and hit that subscribe. And until next time, bye everybody.